Embark on a comprehensive, step-by-step journey to master the entire process of publishing research articles specifically tailored for strengthening EB1A, EB2NIW, and other DIY immigration petitions with our detailed course, Research Article Publication Support for EB1A, EB2NIW DIY, featuring over dedicated video courses and workshops in NYC, Bay Area with content designed to transform you from a novice into a confident academic publisher. This course meticulously guides you through every critical phase, beginning with an introduction to compiling robust 500-page applications in LaTeX and navigating the pitfalls of fake profile builders, while teaching you how to strategically select the right mid-tier journals that yield citations and valuable peer review opportunities by analyzing key metrics and checklists, ensuring you avoid predatory publications and build a credible academic portfolio that immigration officers recognize. You'll gain hands-on expertise in both local and cloud-based technical workflows as we dive into installing and utilizing Zotero for sophisticated reference management, from using the Snap Store for installation, Snap Install Zotero Snap, to curating and finalizing a potent list of 9 key papers for your literature review, while simultaneously mastering Overleaf, the premier online cloud-based LaTeX editor, which eliminates complex local installations and enables real-time collaboration, seamless compilation, and secure access to your research from any device, perfectly complementing the traditional Tech Studio setup. We then supercharge this process by integrating a complete suite of advanced AI tools into this cloud-centric environment, moving beyond ChatGPT to include Perplexity AI for discovering and verifying up-to-date research sources directly within your workflow, Claude for nuanced, long context analysis and drafting of complex narrative sections, and Qwen and other cloud-based models for diverse perspectives in code generation and idea organization, all while your manuscript takes shape in Overleaf. Crucially, we dedicate focused, tutorial-style modules to fixing AI hallucinations, teaching you systematic verification protocols, cross-referencing every AI-generated claim, date, and citation against your Zotero library and original sources using Perplexity in precise mode, employing Claude to fact-check long passages, and implementing a strict human-in-the-loop review process before any content enters your final draft. To create robust, data-driven research, particularly for policy, government, and socio-economic analysis papers that carry significant weight in immigration petitions, we delve deep into practical data science with Python, teaching you to use Selenium for advanced web scraping of government portals, public datasets, and academic repositories to gather original, timely data that forms the empirical backbone of your research. You'll learn to complement this with libraries like Pandas for data manipulation, Matplotlib, Seaburn for generating publication quality charts and visualizations directly from your scraped datasets, and techniques for synthetic data generation to augment your analysis while maintaining academic integrity. Our tutorial-style data scraping section explicitly teaches you how to scrape data for generating citations, building scripts that automatically extract publication metadata, author lists, and citation counts from academic sites to populate your Zotero library and directly enrich your paper's reference section, turning raw data into citable evidence. Furthermore, we provide a specialized module on how to strategically write and structure your research work to generate citations from authoritative government agencies such as the General Educational Development (GED) program, the Bureau of Labor Statistics (BLS), the Census Bureau, NIH, NSF, and other federal, state entities. You'll learn to frame your research questions around their public datasets, explicitly analyze and visualize their official reports, and position your conclusions to become a vital secondary source, thereby encouraging future government publications and policy briefs to cite your work, which adds immense credibility and demonstrates national impact for your NIW or EB1A petition. The curriculum advances to the core of scholarly writing, demonstrating how to organize LaTeX code for IEEE papers directly within Overleaf, craft compelling, data-rich literature reviews and case studies using the insights and visualizations generated from your Python scripts, and merge multiple LaTeX files, using this powerful integrated ensemble, Zotero for source control, DeepSeek and Perplexity for research and brainstorming, Claude for structural editing, Overleaf for execution, and Python for data creation, to curate bibliographies, generate clean LaTeX code, and refine coherent, evidence-based research arguments, empowering you to synthesize complex information and original data into a publication-ready manuscript hosted and version-controlled in the cloud. Furthermore, you'll learn essential, command-by-command collaboration and dissemination skills, including practical Ubuntu terminal commands for environment setup and Git commands for version control. From Git init, Git add, and Git commit m message to Git push origin main, uploading and managing code from Overleaf projects and Python scripts to Git via SSH Keygen, Git clone Git at github.com. Setting up private repositories and strategically searching for ideal IEEE conferences and Scopus indexed journals that favor empirical, data-driven studies, while also understanding the crucial distinction between preprints and low-tier journals. The course dedicates significant focus on harnessing this multi-tool, cloud-native approach for drafting paper skeletons, where Claude helps structure arguments within an Overleaf document, Perplexity validates claims, Python and Selenium provide the raw data evidence, and Qwen, Cloud AI assist with technical sections and code automation, all while fixing abstracts, introductions, and data-heavy case studies in LaTeX, specifically teaching you to mitigate AI hallucinations in literature reviews by cross-verifying outputs from Zotero managed sources and your own Python scraped data against your Overleaf draft, and converting finalized LaTeX documents into journal-ready formats using Pandoc or Overleaf's own export features. This is all complemented by a robust citation and data validation strategy module designed to maximize your research impact, using Perplexity and Zotero for scholarly references and Python for data analysis to strategically build a network of evidence that powerfully bolsters your petition's claim of original contribution and substantive merit, with all data, citations, and visualizations perfectly formatted and synced to your Overleaf project. Concluding with key takeaways, practical quizzes, and introductions to complementary courses, this program equips you with an all-encompassing, tutorial-based skill set to independently produce, publish, and promote credible, data-rich research, thereby substantiating your petition for immigration success through self-reliant academic achievement. From initial data gathering with Python, Selenium, and journal selection powered by Perplexity searches to final submission with Zotero managed citations, AI polished text, original data visualizations, and a professionally compiled Overleaf PDF. This course is your definitive blueprint for leveraging a modern, integrated, and empirically robust workflow. Zotero, Overleaf, Python data science tools, Git and Ubuntu commands, and a strategic arsenal of AI with anti-hallucination protocols to master academic publication as a powerful, evidence-based tool in your immigration journey, ensuring you not only meet but exceed the evidentiary standards for extraordinary ability or national interest with compelling, original research that stands up to rigorous scrutiny and is strategically crafted to become a cited resource for government agencies and policymakers alike.